Space. The next frontier of human race. And for the coming generation. In this video we are going to show you the evolution of space flight. But before anything else, if you are new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe for more interesting video. Space exploration is one of the greatest achievements of human race. Space exploration help us know about the composition of our universe, and help us travel into the star. Come and join me as we back in time, to witness the first space flight up to the modern space flights of today. Let's get started. First, in 1957 the Soviet Union successfully launched the Sputnik 1. It orbited for 3 weeks before its batteries died, and then orbited silently for 2 months before it fell back into the atmosphere. In November 1957 the Soviet Union also launched the first mammal into space. The Sputnik 2 was the second spacecraft launched into Earth orbit, on November 3, 1957, and the first to carry a living animal, a Soviet space dog named Laika. Laika died on the fourth orbit due to overheating caused by an air conditioning malfunction. In 1959 the Luna 2, of the Soviet Union. Luna 2 was the first spacecraft to reach the surface of the Moon, and the first human-made object to make contact with another celestial body. In 1961 the Vostok 1 of the Soviet Union. Vostok 1 was the first space flight of the Vostok program, and the first manned space flight in history. The Vostok 3K space capsule was launched from Baikonur Cosmodrome on April 12, 1961, with Soviet cosmonaut Yuri Gagarin, making him the first human to cross into outer space. In May 1961 the United States launched its first manned mission into space. Freedom 7 was the first United States human space flight, on May 5, 1961, piloted by astronaut Alan Shepard. It was the first crewed flight of Project Mercury. The project had the ultimate objective of putting an astronaut into orbit around the Earth, and return him safely. Shepard's mission was a 15-minute suborbital flight with the primary objective of demonstrating his ability to withstand the high G-forces of launch and atmospheric re-entry. In 1969 the United States sent the first man on the Moon. The Apollo 11 mission was the space flight that first landed humans on the Moon. Commander Neil Armstrong and Lunar Module pilot Buzz Aldrin formed the American crew that landed the Apollo Lunar Module Eagle, on July 20, 1969. Apollo 11 was launched by a Saturn V rocket from Kennedy Space Center. In 1981 the United States launched the first orbital space flight of NASA's Space Shuttle program. The first orbiter, Columbia, launched on April 12, 1981 and returned 54.5 hours later, having orbited the Earth 36 times. The Space Shuttle was a partially reusable low Earth orbital spacecraft. In May 30, 2020 the first human orbital spaceflight launched by a private company. SpaceX Demo 2 is the first crewed test flight of the Crew Dragon spacecraft. The spacecraft, named Endeavour, launched on May 30, 2020 on top of Falcon 9 booster, and carried NASA astronauts Douglas Hurley and Robert Behnken to the International Space Station, in the first crewed orbital spaceflight launched from the United States, since the last shuttle mission in 2011. Today SpaceX are developing the Starship system, a future spacecraft that can carry people to Mars and Moon. SpaceX Starship system is a fully reusable, two-stage to orbit, super heavy lift launch vehicle under development by SpaceX. Are you excited for the Starship to be launched on space? What do you think the next frontier of human space exploration? Comment down below. If you enjoy watching this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.